Scientists have discovered that there's a specific neural pathway in your brain that literally lights up when you're in the state of receiving abundance. And most people have no idea that this pathway even exists. We basically now have actual brain scans that show the difference between someone who struggles with manifestation and someone who manifests effortlessly. And the difference isn't talent, it isn't luck, it's not even belief. It's basically whether or not this specific neural pathway is activated. And here's the even crazier part. You can actually activate this tonight in a matter of minutes, and I'm gonna show you how. And once you do this, you will start noticing abundance flowing so quickly. I'm talking synchronicities appearing within hours, or opportunities showing up out of nowhere. And even that feeling of being in flow where everything just seems to be working out so perfectly. And this isn't some mystical concept that I'm talking about. This is actual neuroscience. And there's this specific cluster of neurons in your brain that researchers call the abundance network. And when this abundance network is activated, it literally changes how you perceive and attract opportunities. And most people go their entire lives with this network of neurons completely dormant. But I'm gonna show you exactly how to flip that switch once and for all. And once you do, you'll probably wonder how you ever tried to manifest without it. So let's get into it. But really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. Here on my channel, I make manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are ready to learn how to activate this abundance network in your brain, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button down below and let's get into it. Now, let me say that I have been obsessed with manifestation for well over a decade now. And specifically, why it seems to work sometimes, but not all the time. Or why some people try so hard with seemingly little success and other people just seem to manifest things with ease. What is the real truth behind this kind of woo-woo esoteric concept of manifestation? So I decided to dig a little bit deeper into the brain science behind manifestation. And what I have found over the years has completely changed how I understand this whole entire process. You see, there's a specific area of your brain that I talk about all of the time called the reticular activating system, or you can call it the RAS for short. But this is the part of your brain that actually filters information and decides what's important enough for your conscious mind to really notice and pick up on. But here's what most people don't know. There's also another network that works in conjunction with this RAS that I call the abundance pathway. And this pathway actually connects your RAS with your limbic system, which is responsible for controlling emotions, and your prefrontal cortex, which handles decision making and future planning. And I promise I'm not gonna go deep into some kind of neuroscience lesson, but basically, when this pathway is activated, there's three things that happen all at the same time. First, your brain starts noticing opportunities and resources that were probably always there, but maybe they've just been invisible to you because you haven't been focused on them. And the second thing is your emotional state. Your emotional state starts to shift into expectancy and openness rather than being caught up in lack and resistance. And the third thing is your decision making becomes aligned with abundance rather than scarcity. And the result is that you start attracting and creating abundance effortlessly because your brain is literally wired to see and act on abundance opportunities. But here's a problem. For most people, like I said, this pathway is dormant. It's kind of like having a Ferrari in your garage, but then never turning on the engine. Yeah, it's nice to look at, but why don't we use it? So the good news is that you can activate this pathway using this specific technique that takes advantage of your brain's neuroplasticity, its ability to form new neural connections. And the best time to do this is actually at night, right before you go to sleep, because your brain is kind of most receptive to understanding new things and creating new neural pathways. So for the sake of time, I don't want this video to go on too long. Let me show you how to activate your abundance pathway tonight, or today, or whenever you decide to try this. So this technique is based on the principle of targeted neural activation through visualization and specific brainwave entrainment. And here's the step-by-step process. It's really simple. So step one is you're just gonna create the optimal environment. You want to do this in kind of a quiet space with no distractions, perfect right before you go to sleep because it tends to be quiet and dark and you aren't being pulled in a million different directions. But if you want to do this during your day, that is totally fine too. Do what works best for you. Just make sure you're in kind of a quiet place with not a lot of distractions. Step 1, easy. And step 2 is you're going to get into the activation position. So you're going to lie down or sit comfortably with your arms at your sides with your palms facing up. And this positioning is important because it signals to your nervous system that you're in a receptive state rather than a defensive one. You don't want to be sitting there like this. You don't want to be sitting there like this or with your palms down. You want to be with your palms up because it triggers your brain to believe that it's in a receptive state. And once you get into this state, again, you can be sitting or laying down, just palms facing up. You're going to close your eyes and you're going to take 7 deep breaths, fully inhaling, fully exhaling. And with each exhale, I really want you to focus on releasing any tension or resistance within your body. You're basically getting yourself into kind of a meditative state, calming your nervous system and getting into that really nice receptive state. And once you're there, let's move on to step 3. And step 3 is to access the abundance pathway. So here is kind of where the real activation begins. And this is kind of like a meditative visualization. But what you're going to do is you're going to close your eyes and you're going to imagine a golden thread of light starting at the base of your skull and traveling up through the center of your brain and out. And this thread is going to represent the neural pathway that we're activating. And as you visualize this golden thread going up through your head, I want you to repeat this phrase silently in your mind. I am activating my abundance pathway now. You're going to say that slowly. You can say it once or twice. I am activating my abundance pathway now. And while you're seeing this golden thread going through your head, you might feel a slight tingling sensation or just kind of a different sensation in your head. And that's all normal. It just means the activation is really beginning and your mind is kind of getting on board. So now you have the golden thread and you've started the process. And step 4, we are going to program the pathway. So once you've established that golden thread visualization, you're going to program this pathway with specific abundance frequencies. So from here, you're going to imagine that golden thread beginning to kind of pulse with light, sort of like a heartbeat. You're just going to see it pulsing going up through your head. And with each pulse, you're going to keep repeating these 3 activation phrases. I always get what I want or better. Every day in every way, my life is getting better and better, and my success is inevitable. And if it's too much for you to repeat all 3, you can pick one and just keep repeating it. You don't want it to take you out of it. You want to be in it. But I like using all 3, but if you want to use one, that's okay too. You're going to spend about 30 seconds saying these phrases as you see this light pulsing through your head. And the key is to really connect with these phrases as if it's already true. You're not trying to make them true. You're not trying to force anything. Feel them. Feel it be authentic. And then step 5, you are going to seal the process. You're going to end by placing your hands over your heart and having a moment of gratitude, however that feels to you. I feel like gratitude can be this tricky thing because so many people feel like it has to be this like over the top, like big feeling. But sometimes it's just being grateful for like the way that the chair feels underneath you, or the way your clothes feel against your skin, or just how you feel in that moment, or the sunlight on your skin. It doesn't have to be this big grand thing. What do you feel grateful for in this moment? Because this gratitude seals the activation and it signals to your subconscious that the process is complete. And then here's what you can expect after activating your abundance pathway. Within the first 24 hours, you'll likely notice that you'll start seeing opportunities or resources that you maybe hadn't noticed before. And this could be as simple as maybe finding money on the ground or someone mentioning exactly the opportunity that you needed to hear that day. See what comes up for you. And then within 48 hours, you'll probably experience what I like to call abundance synchronicities. It's meaningful coincidences that seem to be kind of guiding you towards your goals. And then within about a week, you should notice that you're making different decisions or choices that are more aligned with abundance rather than scarcity. And then within a month, you'll likely be able to see tangible changes in your financial situation or relationships or opportunities. But here's the most important part. You need to maintain this activation. Just like any other neural pathway, if you don't use it after a while, it sort of starts to weaken. So I personally recommend doing this activation process about every night for the first week, and then maybe once a week to maintain that, once or twice a week to maintain that strength and that new neural pathway. And you can also kind of reinforce and strengthen it throughout the day by consciously using something I called your abundance lens. Whenever you find yourself thinking from a place of scarcity or worrying about money or focusing on lack or not enough, you're gonna go ahead and pause and ask yourself this question: how would I see this if everything was exactly the way I want or better than I expected? And then you are going to consciously shift your perspective to look for the opportunity, the lesson, or the potential blessing in that situation that's causing you to feel that lack or fear or worry. This daily practice really reinforces those neural pathways, and it makes abundance your default rather than something that you kind of have to work at. And here's something really important to also understand about this process. Activating your abundance pathway isn't just about attracting more money or material things. It's about fundamentally changing how you interact with the world. And when this pathway is active, you start to see abundance everywhere, in relationships, in opportunities, in experiences, and yes, financial resources too. But you begin to operate from a place of trust rather than fear, expansion rather than contraction, and possibility over limitation. And that shift in your internal state is what creates the external changes that you want to see. Because here is the truth about manifestation that most people miss. It's not about forcing the universe to give you what you want. It's about aligning yourself with the abundance that's already available to you and training your brain to kind of recognize and act on it. Your abundance pathway is kind of like a radio antenna. When it's not activated, you're just picking up static. But when it's fully activated and tuned in, you start receiving clear signals about where the abundance is, what opportunities are available to you. You're always seeing kind of best case scenarios. And once you start receiving those signals clearly and taking action on them, it becomes really kind of natural and effortless. You don't have to force anything because you are simply following the guidance that you already activated within you. And this is truly why some people seem to manifest effortlessly while others struggle and don't see results. So go ahead and try out this abundance pathway activation tonight, and go ahead and comment below and let me know what you think. You can also try it today after this video. You don't have to wait till tonight. Just follow the steps and then watch how everything starts shifting for you. But really commit to it for at least 7 days, and then you can kind of do maintenance once or twice a week, or more if it feels good. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also please leave me a comment. I love reading through them. I pretty much read through every single comment. You can also find me over on TikTok and Instagram and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com. And before you go, if you haven't downloaded my free money workbook, go ahead and click the link down below. Tens of thousands of people have used this workbook to completely clear and transform their money blocks, and it's totally free. So go ahead and grab your copy and try it out today.